Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to read a story called The Bear Snores On. The author of the book is Karma Wilson, and the author is the person who writes the book. The illustrator of the book is Jane Chapman, and the illustrator is the person who draws the pictures for the story. In a cave in the woods in his deep dark lair through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. A nitty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter-tip-toe, crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark," so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare burps big burps, but the bear, he snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls, he roars and he rumbles, he jumps and he stomps and he growls and he grumbles. "You've sneaked into my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. I hope you enjoyed that book, boys and girls. See you soon. Bye.